How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen again. Here, tap on the account center option and as you do that, scroll down and tap on personal details. Now tap on account ownership and control over here. And here you can see the option of deactivation or deletion. So tap on deletion and tap on your profile that you'd want to delete. Now tap on the delete account option and then tap on continue. Here you can give any of the reasons that you'd want. So I'm going to select a very random one and then tap on continue. So here, in order for the security purposes, you'll have to enter your password, and after entering your password, you'll be able to delete your Instagram account permanently. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.